Tech tips: here's how to make your Android phone unique to you. The adaptability and ability of Android to run on a broad range of smartphones have allowed it to become the most widely used mobile operating system on the planet. Android devices have always been easier to customize when compared to iPhone's counterparts. The adaptability and ability of Android to run on a broad range of smartphones have allowed it to become the most widely used mobile operating system on the planet. There are many ways to customize your Android-powered phone, whether you own a new Pixel 6 or Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 3 or have just updated the software on an older smartphone. All you need to be aware of is where to look. Here are some techniques to help you get started. Customize the colors as per preference. Material U, which transforms the accent colors of your device to match your wallpaper, is available on Android 12. Long press a blank space on your home screen, tap Wallpaper and Style, and scroll to themed icons to get to it. Then switch it on. When you turn on the feature, your keyboard, home screen icons, and other characteristics will change the tone to match your background photo. Change your launcher. Changing your launcher or home screen app, which defines how your phone looks and behaves, is one of the easiest ways to customize your Android. In the Play Store, you can choose from a host of launcher options to customize your smartphone's home theme according to your needs and tastes. Play around with the default apps. Even if you wish to have SMSs centralized in your Facebook Messenger app, the SMSs will only go to the Messages app on an iPhone. Android users, on the other hand, have long been able to customize which applications open automatically for text messages, web browsing, and phone calls, as well as change their default digital assistant, caller ID, and home screen application. Will first need to download your preferred new application. Then go to Settings Apps Default Apps on your device. Select the app category you want to change. Then select the app you want to use as your default app. If you want to use Amazon's Alexa as your primary voice assistant or customize your call screen with a calling app like Droop, then this customization is extremely useful.